Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So like I said in a previous video, I have a bucket seat here and a harness bar. So today I think I'm going to be installing the harness bar first, so let's get into it. Okay, I believe we just need to pop this off. And I'm sure you can see. Let me see if I can get some light here. Okay, there's a 14mm bolt there that you have to remove. Okay. It's a little harder than expected. Okay. Okay. Just remember to put the harness bar under your seatbelt. Just tighten it a little bit, but not all the way. Okay, make sure you have some wiggle room. Okay. Now let's do the other side. All right. Make sure you press these in here and pop off the cover. So hopefully this side is a little easier. Let's see. take some elbow grease to get these off, but I wouldn't expect it to be so easy because this is supposed to hold you in. Okay. Okay, I finally got both sides on. I found a trick because I couldn't get it to fit. Sorry, I didn't think that it was the wrong harness bar for this car. I suggest lowering. You could, if you press these down, you could adjust the height. I suggest lowering it all the way down to the bottom, and it seems to have a easier fit that way. So leave it loose, that way you can rotate it. And next would be the eyelids on the bottom. So all you need to do is pop that little cover, and you should be good to go on both the 14. So let me get that off real quick. So for this little rubber piece, you can just reach from the bottom and unclip it basically, and you see it looks like it's another 14, but let me see. Yes, there's another 14, so let me just get this unbolted and do the same to the other side so I can start doing the eyelids. There's a bunch of washers here. You're gonna have to play around with as many as you need because I am gonna be running the stock seat belt and the harness, so I need to remove a couple of these. So let me get started on that. Okay, so as you can see, it's the seat belt here, part of my harness that goes on this location. If I put the eyelid, not enough thread, so I need to remove some spacers. Let's try this and see if this is good enough. Okay, sorry, my battery died. So able to get it in. Now I'm adjusting the eyelids. I just don't know how I'm gonna raise it. I mean, I guess I'm short, so I don't know how much harness I need to run through, or like what height. So I'm gonna get started on the other side. Always make sure you leave it, you know, not all the way down tight, because you need to give yourself some wiggle room. Let's see. I need to get a wrench for that. Okay. Let's get started on this side. And this side I'm not gonna be running bucket seat or harness, so this one should be easier, I believe. Just spin it to adjust the height. As you can see, it doesn't reach right now. Make sure you don't take too much height. I think I have to pull this back out though, because you see here I won't be able to tighten it because it's hitting the plastic. So let me get my wrench and then try tightening it. Now there is an order you want to retighten everything first. I believe it's best to tighten these first. Pretty solid, guys. So I'll be installing this one tomorrow, hopefully. It's raining outside, so hopefully I can install it, and then I'll make a video out of it as well. The harness says I'm not sure when I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna need my friend's help, because I'm not really sure or confident how to do it myself. So stay tuned for that video, guys. Thanks for watching.